Welcome to 22 Pine Street in Peabody, Massachusetts. This home has been cleverly reconfigured from a 3-bedroom floor plan to create an open layout floor plan with a generously sized primary bedroom. The core areas are especially inviting, and they flow naturally out to an expansive, screened-in porch, as well as a fenced-in yard with several garden areas and an unexpected elevated sitting area in the upper yard. The basement has remarkably high ceilings, and there are many updates both inside and out, including a boiler, outdoor shed, a stone walkway and front steps, and more. This is a prime location for easy access to commuter routes, as well as a surprisingly quiet and private setting. The primary bedroom runs from the front to the back of the house, and it features an ensuite bath as well as a sitting area.